Hey guys, so today we are going to make a replacement part video of my Secretlab Omega chair, which has developed a slight creaking noise on its tilt mechanism. And Secretlab has sent out a replacement part for it, including the casters. So today I'm just going to show you how to get about in replacing the tilt mechanism and the casters. So first you will need the armrest to be on its lowest position, and then the backrest you would want it reclined like that, and then you would want a protective mat on your floor, and also that is to protect your chair as well. Next we will turn the chair upside down. Like so. Now, so just you would see it properly. This is how it's supposed to be like. Because first we're gonna remove this piston on the tilt mechanism. And you're gonna do that with a pipe wrench. There you go. This will be easier if it gets done with a partner, but it's not really hard to do. So you would want the pipe wrench nearest on the connection here. And then grip it tight and then push it down, just to loosen the connection, and there you go. Now it's loose, then you can pull it out. So this is the piston, we will keep that. I actually greased this part a little bit, thinking that it would fix the creaking noise, because apparently the creaking noise comes from this part right here where the connection is. And when you do minute movements, that's what produces the creaking noise. So the solution of Secretlab is this whole assembly has to be replaced, and this will stay, and we're still gonna use this. And all we have to do now is take this part off and replace it with the new one. So we can also pull these flaps here and undo the bolts. I actually had this January and it did quite develop that creaking noise. Maybe just a few months after, maybe just 2 months after. And I emailed Secretlab, and luckily enough, they are so easy to reply, and they just seem to care about their customers when it comes to their products. So, which is good, but I know it's kind of hassle that this has to be done, even just for only 2 months of use, and it already developed this. For me, it's true it's a hassle, but at least their customer service are top notch, that they are quite nice and they're easy to deal with. So this all we have to do now is take this thing apart and hope that after installing the new one is that the creaking noise will be resolved. It is not actually so bad, but I use this in my bedroom and at night when doing small adjustments. I can actually hear the creaking noise, and it gets quite annoying over time. So I just thought that I should tell Secretlab about it so that they can fix it, and at least this is their solution. So actually, I received this box maybe 4 days ago. It's just that only this time that I have free time to do this. Actually, it's still sealed. It got damaged during transport, but I don't know how is it inside. We'll see, and we'll just cross our fingers that it didn't damage the package. These are the new casters that were sent out also. It was making a little bit of noise, and they sent this out promptly. So the packaging on top is okay. It's just on the side. That's why this thing budged out. And also this side budged out. And much worse on this side, it budged out. So, well, it is what it is now. So here's the new tilt mechanism. Since my chair is only a couple months old, and to give you a more peace of mind is that Secretlab has 2 years regular warranty on them. I mean 3 years regular warranty on them. But if you follow the instructions upon purchase, you can actually extend it up to 5 years just by simply posting your Secretlab chair on a social media platform like Facebook. So here are the new replacements, and so we'll just go ahead and reinstall it back. So just for a close-up look for a brand new material, it seems like this one has just been repainted. See how uneven the painting is, but maybe it's okay for now as long as it works. No big deal for me. It's just gonna be under the seat anyway, so it's just a little cosmetics. Now we just have to reinstall the piston again. That will just go right back through. There you go. And that's it. And then of course, you just reinstall the flaps. And then next, we're gonna change out this casters. Also, just for a reference, I have my previous video showing the noise that this chair was making before this replacement video, and I will post that on my video description too. So here are the replacement parts, and they look brand new to me, as evidenced by the shiny rubber casters. But anyway, doesn't matter as long as they don't make noise like these ones. So we just have to swap them out. This is the old one, it's a new one. It's just straightforward. Just basically pull the old one gently and then put the new ones in. Like what I said, the problem with this was the noise was only audible in a quiet room, which unfortunately it was quite annoying. But if you were using this in a living room and you don't need that much quietness, and that should have been okay. But it was getting to the point that it was quite annoying already when I use it during late night. It's inside my room, right? So that's just it. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you change the tilt mechanism and the casters on the Secretlab Omega chairs. Very simple, very straightforward. You can do it yourself as long as you have a pipe wrench and of course the hex screwdriver that was from the original packaging when you purchase your Secretlab. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps you when you get the same issue with your Secretlab chair. Just give them a quick email and they will respond to you, and they will fix your chair promptly. They're very easy to deal with. So that's it for me, guys. See you guys in the next one. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.